Have you ever wondered why some cars barely make it to 100,000 miles, while others seem like they'll run forever? Imagine buying one car today and still driving it 15 or even 20 years from now, without needing a new engine or transmission. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In this video, we're counting down some of the most legendary vehicles ever built, cars that have repeatedly crossed the incredible milestone of 300,000 miles, with many owners reporting over 500,000. And even 1 million miles, But here's something most people don't know. One of the cars on this list has actually driven over 3 million miles on its original engine block. That's not a typo, and when we reveal the full story near the end, you'll understand why mechanics around the world still consider it one of the greatest cars ever built. So make sure you stick around until the end, because that unbelievable story completely changed what people think about reliability. Now, let's get started. Coming in at number 10 is the Honda Fit. The Honda Fit isn't flashy, it isn't fast, but when it comes to reliability, it's one of the smartest cars you can buy. Owners regularly report driving their Fits well beyond 250,000 miles, and many have crossed the 300,000-mile mark with nothing more than routine maintenance. One of the biggest reasons is Honda's incredibly dependable 1.5-liter engine. It's simple, fuel-efficient, and because it doesn't produce excessive power, the engine experiences far less stress over its lifetime. The lightweight design also helps. Since the car weighs much less than larger SUVs or trucks, components like brakes, suspension, and even the transmission tend to last longer. Maintenance costs are surprisingly affordable too. Oil changes, filters, spark plugs, and brake pads are inexpensive compared to many other vehicles. The Honda Fit proves that you don't need a luxury price tag to own a car that can last for decades. At number 9 is the Ford Crown Victoria. If you've ever seen an old police cruiser or taxi still driving around today, chances are it was a Crown Victoria. These cars were built to survive some of the toughest driving conditions imaginable. Police departments left them idling for hours. Taxi companies drove them nearly non-stop. Yet many still reached 300,000 to 500,000 miles. The secret was Ford's legendary 4.6-liter modular V8 engine. It wasn't the fastest engine on the road, but it was incredibly durable. The body-on-frame construction also made repairs easier and cheaper than many modern cars. Even today, mechanics often describe the Crown Victoria as one of the toughest American sedans ever built. At number 8 is the Lexus GX 460. Luxury and reliability rarely go hand in hand, but Lexus found a way to combine both. The GX 460 shares much of its engineering with Toyota's legendary SUVs, giving it an incredible reputation for durability. Under the hood is a naturally aspirated V8 engine that's known for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles. Owners regularly report these SUVs reaching 300,000 miles while still driving almost like new. The transmission is equally dependable, and the four-wheel drive system is built to handle serious off-road adventures. Even after years of ownership, the interior still feels premium thanks to Lexus's exceptional build quality. It may cost more up front, but over 20 years, it can actually save owners money by avoiding frequent replacements. At number 7 is the Toyota Avalon. The Avalon is often overlooked, but it may be one of Toyota's best-kept secrets. It shares many components with the Camry while offering a quieter, smoother, and more luxurious driving experience. Its V6 engine has earned a reputation for lasting well beyond 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Because many Avalons were owned by older drivers who took excellent care of them, used models are often in outstanding condition. If comfort and reliability are your top priorities, the Avalon deserves far more attention than it gets. Halfway through our list, at number 6, is the Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban has been serving American families for nearly 90 years. There's a reason it's trusted by families, businesses, law enforcement agencies, and even government organizations. It's built to last. Its large V8 engines are known for their durability, especially when owners keep up with regular maintenance. Many fleet vehicles have easily surpassed 300,000 miles, while some have reached an incredible 500,000 miles. Replacement parts are widely available across the United States, making repairs easier and more affordable than many people expect. The Suburban combines toughness, practicality, and long-term reliability like very few SUVs can. Coming in at number 5 is the Toyota Prius. Many people still believe hybrid batteries wear out quickly. The truth is very different. The Toyota Prius has become one of the most reliable vehicles ever produced. Taxi companies across North America, Europe, and Asia have driven Priuses well beyond 300,000 miles. Some have even exceeded 500,000 miles using their original hybrid systems. Toyota designed its hybrid technology to carefully manage battery charging, preventing unnecessary wear. The gasoline engine also benefits because the electric motor handles much of the workload. As a result, both systems often last much longer than most people expect. The Prius completely changed the way people think about hybrid reliability. At number 4 is the Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner has earned an almost legendary reputation among drivers who demand durability. Unlike many modern crossover SUVs, the 4Runner is built on a rugged truck platform. It's designed for off-road adventures that would quickly destroy many other vehicles. Owners frequently report reaching 300,000 to 400,000 miles. Some have even passed 600,000 miles. Its naturally aspirated V6 engine is known for exceptional reliability. Without the added complexity of turbochargers, long-term maintenance is often simpler and less expensive. Whether you're exploring mountain trails or simply commuting every day, the 4Runner is built for the long haul. Our number 3 pick is the Honda Accord. For decades, the Honda Accord has been one of America's favorite family sedans. It's comfortable, fuel-efficient, affordable to maintain, and incredibly dependable. Both the 4-cylinder and V6 models have produced countless examples that easily exceeded 300,000 miles. Routine oil changes, transmission servicing, and replacing timing belts on older models are often all that's needed to keep these cars running for decades. The Accord proves that reliability doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. Now it's time for our runner-up. At number 2 is the Toyota Land Cruiser. If reliability had a king, this would probably be it. The Toyota Land Cruiser has earned legendary status all over the world, from the deserts of Africa to the Australian outback to the mountains of the Middle East. People trust the Land Cruiser where vehicle failure simply isn't an option. Its engines are engineered with durability as the highest priority. Owners regularly report reaching 400,000, 500,000, and even 700,000 miles. Many humanitarian organizations and governments continue using older Land Cruisers simply because they're so dependable. They're expensive to buy, but they often reward owners with decades of reliable service. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, the Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is one of the best-selling cars in history with more than 50 million units sold worldwide. There's a reason so many owners refuse to part with them. The engines are incredibly reliable. Maintenance costs are low. Fuel economy is excellent. Replacement parts are easy to find almost anywhere. Thousands of Corolla owners have documented driving well beyond 300,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Many mechanics consider it one of the safest recommendations for anyone looking for dependable transportation that simply keeps going year after year. Now, remember the unbelievable fact we mentioned at the beginning of this video? Here it is. A *1966 Volvo P1800, owned by Irv Gordon from New York, became one of the highest mileage personal vehicles ever recorded. He drove that single car for decades and eventually surpassed an astonishing 3.2 million miles. Even more impressive, the original engine block remained in the car throughout that incredible journey. His secret wasn't some expensive modification or special fuel. He simply followed the maintenance schedule religiously. He changed the oil on time, replaced fluids before they became a problem, fixed small issues before they turned into expensive repairs. And he drove the car regularly instead of letting it sit unused. His story proves one important lesson. The biggest factor in reaching extraordinary mileage isn't just buying the right car, it's taking care of it. Even the most reliable vehicle in the world won't survive years of neglected maintenance. So, which car on today's list surprised you the most? Was it the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser, the nearly indestructible Ford Crown Victoria, or the tiny Honda Fit that just refuses to quit? Let us know in the comments below. And if you've ever owned a vehicle with more than 200,000 or even 300,000 miles, tell us about it. We'd love to hear your story. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because we bring you the latest automotive news, the world's most reliable cars, upcoming vehicles, and fascinating stories from the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.